All right, Ronald, here's your 347 small block Ford. Get your description of this combination. It's got the Edelbrock manifold, quick fuel carburetor, MSD Pro Dug, beautiful front end on it. Custom grind hydraulic roller, front sump oil pan. We'll go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,700, 413 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 442, good flat there. Peak horsepower 488. We rated it at 500, front ends of at least 15 on it, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean. Show you a couple of things here. See if you're in, find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card. It's full of technical information. Highly recommend watching it all. In your crate will be this spec sheet. A lot of stuff on there. Make sure to go over that. Have a great day.